Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bake some double chocolate chip muffins. Start off by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Put all your dry ingredients in the bowl and then mix them together. Add in your chocolate chips and then put this to one side. Put the wet ingredients in a separate bowl and whisk them together until it looks like this. And then pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix with a fork until it's thick. Divide the mixture between the prepared cupcake tray and put some chocolate chips on top of the cupcakes and push the chips in gently so that they don't fall off while baking. And then bake in the oven for about 22 minutes until well risen. Test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Remove the cupcakes from the baking tray and then put them on a cooling rack and leave them to cool completely. You can leave them plain or dust them with some icing sugar like I'm doing here. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's nice and baked through and fluffy, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.